Grammar is one of the most difficult subjects to teach. However, it is one of the most important subjects that an English teacher can teach. The way we teach grammar is very important. Giving definitions and pages of worksheet problems isn't teaching grammar effectively. A teacher can give a definition of a part of speech, but that means nothing to a student. We can give examples, but still students will just go through the motions of doing the homework. Homework needs to be meaningful to students, or they do not see the point of the exercise. Students also have so much on their minds that they might not care or catch the examples. They want to know if it is relevant to the test and how they are going to use this in real life. Homework needs to be meaningful, like I've said before. Doing problem after problem is busy work and doesn't lead to actual learning. Just because a student does well on the homework doesn't mean they are ready for the test. And just because a student is ready for a test doesn't mean that they know the subject matter. They can do the problems, memorize the definitions and list of words, but when it comes to creating or applying the knowledge, they just can't do it. This means they don't see how it can apply, or they cannot apply the information in different situations. If teachers made the tests like the homework, then students would pass easier. But true knowledge comes when you can create and reproduce the contents of a lesson. Students become frustrated and give up when they don't find success. Students have so much pressure to do well that studying for the tests is typical. But this is still not really learning or applying the knowledge. Teachers need to find ways of showing students that what they learn is useful and that they will and should use the information in the future. I have found the best way to teach a subject is to find ways to relate the subject matter to the student. I also found that self-discovery helps students see purpose and relevancy to the lessons. Showing how an author uses prep phrases is more relevant than the exercises. Also, when students can mimic a particular writing style, they are more apt to use it in their own writing. Having the students find the prep phrases to show them how they are important in any writing is valuable and meaningful. They see the importance of the lesson and can see how others use it as well. Students want to do well, and if they can take the concept from a well-known author and apply it to their writing, then learning is taking place. Plus, they will be more apt to use the contents of the lesson in future writing assignments. Changing this teaching style from grill, drill, and lecture is a necessity for student success. Teachers need to continually modify and change their teaching methods to fit the changing learning styles of our students.